Hey everyone, Trish from A Touch of Magic. We are doing this delicious porridge bread. Look how yummy this looks. This is from one of my recipes from my book, 100 Recipes During Lockdown. Porridge bread is on the menu today. I'm Trish from A Touch of Magic, and today I am doing delicious porridge bread from my book. So this is one of 100 recipes that I have. You will have to see the magic that is in this book, and we're going to start with a very easy bread. So starting, we have got our oats, 400 grams of porridge oats. Clean as you go. We have got bread soda. We've also got 1 teaspoon of salt. We have got a delicious free-range egg. Bok! In that goes! And clean as you go. Give it a little stir before I add 500 grams of delicious, creamy, natural yogurt. That is all she wrote. Give it a little stir with your fork. And this is the easiest, peasiest recipe you can possibly think of. There is absolutely no trouble to this recipe. And for those that are gluten-free, did you know that you can get gluten-free oats? So you can substitute your oats with gluten-free oats, and then you have a delicious gluten-free bread. So the only thing I am doing now is I am incorporating this mix. I'm making sure everything is mixed together. It sounds lovely and sticky. I have greased a 2-pound loaf tin. I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees, which is 350 Fahrenheit. And lads, it's as easy as that. My bread is now done. It is amazing. So I have my 2-pound loaf tin, and I have greased it with some gorgeous Irish butter. In that plops. Get every last bit out. And then just gently push your porridge bread into the nooks and crannies. Use your fork and just roughly pat the bread down and make sure it's all combined. Little sprinkling of some nuts or some seeds or sunflower. These could be poppy seeds if you wish. They could even be sesame seeds. So whatever takes your fancy, sprinkle some magic on your bread. In it goes into the oven at 180 degrees. And here we have our delicious porridge bread.